Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm the VP for Retail Media and Business at Douglas and responsible for the European retail media business.
And my name is Stefan. I'm the VP Sales responsible for CDP at Zeotap. And we will talk about retail media today. How would you describe the retail media strategy like in 30 seconds?
Retail media basically is about unlocking first-party data on-site and off-site to get a 360 brand activation delivered to our brand. And this is what we aim to do, and therefore we need a really strong and robust data and Adtech architecture. Furthermore, our ambition is to internationalize and to launch new marketing solutions in the future, as well as new sales channels.
Which role does the CDP play in this project?
If we think about the Adtech architecture as a whole, it sits really in the core of our Adtech infrastructure. As we are in 2023, we know third-party cookies are dying, and it has become a reality where we do see match rates to go down. For us, it was a necessity to switch from a DMP into a CDP solution where we have more scale and multiple identifiers to really elevate our targeting quality and still reach the right audiences in the right moment of time with the right messages.
Which advertising and marketing channels do you want to connect to the CDP?
In the dream use case, all of them, so that everything is interconnected and we get the most holistic 360 view on our customer in order to do campaigns. But of course, we need to start somewhere. So we will start with the digital channels. So first of all, obviously the social media networks, display and programmatic channels, the on-site retail media inventory, which is important for us. And then we move into email and CRM, and then there's some future music channels such as digital out of home, in-store, even mobile, in-app, whatever other publishers where first-party data could be used to do good digital marketing and digital media campaigns.
What are the advantages you do expect by using a CDP in retail media?
It's not a question about advantage, it's a question about necessity. Because we cannot use the DMP anymore. It's a dying technology, so we are forced to use a new state-of-the-art technology where we have multiple identifiers. Then the real-time effect and notion of a CDP is for us important because that's what you want, right? To deliver the right message in the right time to the right target group, and then you learn and adapt on the fly. And that's what we hope we will get with a CDP.
Who at Douglas is using the CDP? Is it more the marketing team, CRM team, technical people? What are the teams using it?
Well, we'll start with the digital media teams. So the digital and activation managers sitting either in retail media or in the performance marketing teams. Then the CRM teams, analytics and business intelligence, as well as A/B testing teams. How did we prioritize in the end the different use cases that we thought of in the beginning of the project?
It's very important and crucial to prioritize the use cases. So we see that in a lot of projects that customers want to start with like 20 use cases. So we recommend to focus on 3 to 5 top use cases. And we work with the teams to find these use cases based on effort to implement these use cases and major impact. So which use cases are the low-hanging fruits, basically, and to make it more easy and to have first successes quickly. In the case of Douglas, actually, you mentioned it, there was another factor that played an important role, that was urgency, because you wanted to replace the DMP with the CDP to have a solution where you can use first-party data and audiences at scale in a cookieless future, right? And this was very important for you. So we are starting with shifting the DMP use cases, the advertising use cases, into the CDP first. Why did you decide for Zeotap CDP at the end?
The first reason is, and that was for us the most important one, is to feel safe with the vendor that we are choosing. And for us, the privacy by design that is really deeply rooted in your DNA was the number one reason why we wanted to go with a German vendor where the philosophy and the understanding is definitely the same, because the data for us, our client data, is the most important and we need and want to protect it. The second thing is the ease of use, because I believe that you can buy whatever Ferrari tool or tech out there. If the teams just don't like it and don't know how to use it, and if it's too complex, then it won't be a success. And in this case, the UI and the ease of use is really good. And well, the third reason is we wanted to get started quickly. So we had definitely a sense of urgency. So for us, looking at what are the out-of-box integrations and the connectors which are already there were an important decision criteria as well. And on a human level, I think the communication, the interaction, the collaboration, and the mutual trust is obviously super important as well when you do such a big decision as a CDP.
Thank you, Jessica, for the insights. That was a very, very nice talk. Thank you for hosting us here in your office. And yeah, next time we will talk about the first campaign results, I would say. So stay tuned.